a good day out. A walk in the woods is a special treat with a good friend by my side. Off we go on a lovely summer's day. Picture maker, memory maker in hand. Past lochs and lochans on a trail of gravel stones. Birch, pine, rowan, all welcome us as we walk by. We cover rough terrain and more uneven ground as the trail before us leads the way. The sun shines in the sky, keeping the vibe high. A tree-lined path emerges over a brow of a hill. As the track steadily climbs, nature's masterpiece awaits us. Cyclists, runners, dogs, and other trail walkers all stop to greet us. It's such a busy day. If you like these creative vibes, why not consider a like, comment, and subscribe? That would help this channel grow enormously. Many thanks. See you next time. Bye.